Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to customize control center on the iPhone 15. So this works on the iOS 18 and let's get started. So firstly you just need to swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and now you can see how it's changed. So now we can replace the items, we can reorder them, we can also change its size, and for this we would need to press and hold it in free space on the screen and then drag the corner to resize the application, or we can reorder them like this. We can remove using this minus icon, and also we can make it much more bigger, like on a full page. So here we can also see this additional widget for the music, and also here you can see all of your necessary features such as airplane mode, Wi-Fi, cellular data, Bluetooth, and so on. You can customize every page just by pressing and holding, and also you can add even 2 pages to this little heart. So just press add control and you'll be able to add something from the list, for example text size. So now when you will just swipe up like this, the text size will become bigger, as you can see. And now also a cool feature, you can see here the power button. So now it is much more easier to power off your phone. Just press and hold this button and then drag the slider right to power off your phone. And that's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.